Good morning, students. Uh, this is a JW questions which is asked in the year of 2023. The problem statement is a block of mass 5 kg is placed at a rest on a table of a rough surface. If a force of 30 Newton is placed in the direction parallel to the surface of the table, the block slides through a distance of 50 meter in an interval of time 10 seconds, and they have asked us to calculate to find the coefficient of friction. So there is a block and this is having a mass 5 kg and which is placed on the table, a rough surface table. If a force of 30 Newton is applied, so this 30 Newton is applied and which is parallel to this surface, the block slides through a distance of 50 meter. Then block will move a distance of 50 meter, and to travel this 50 meter it will take a time is equal to 10 seconds. Then they have asked us to calculate coefficient of friction. So now here whenever the force is applied in this direction and there is a development of frictional force in the opposite direction, so this is a frictional force. So this frictional force is directly proportional to a normal reaction force, and this frictional force is equal to, we will get mu into n. So this is a formula. Now they have asked us to calculate this mu. Now if I see the horizontal forces, 30 Newton is on horizontal forces and exactly opposite to that of frictional force is there, and the difference between this 30 Newton force and the frictional force produces an object to move in a applied direction. So if this 30 Newton force and the frictional force difference value is more, then the object slides in a far distance. So for that I will write a formula, that is applied force, F is a applied force minus frictional force, so that will gives acceleration of this object, so that is m into a. So F as it is I am writing, and frictional force is mu into n, so m into a. So here the applied force is 30 Newton, mu we don't know, and this normal reaction force, is exactly equal to mg, which is acting in a downward direction. So I will write mg here, and this is me. So 30 minus mu, m is 5 kg mass of the object which is acting in a downward direction, and g is 10. So again 5 into a, I don't know the value of this acceleration of that particle. So to calculate this acceleration, so here they have given a distance is 50 meter, and to travel this distance they have taken a time is 10 seconds. So initially this object is at a rest on the table, so u is equal to 0, so s is equal to ut plus half at square, the equation I will use. So s is 50 meter and this u is 0 into t plus 1 by 2, acceleration I don't know, and the time t is 10 square. So 50 1 by 2 into a, this is 100, so this becomes 50 and this 50 cancel, so a is equal to 1 meter per second square. Now put this thing in this equation, so 30 as it is, this is 50 into mu is equal to 5 into 1. So now this is 30 and this 5 come this side, and this minus 50 nu will come this side. So that t minus 5 is 25 into 50 nu. So 25 divided by 50 mu. So 25 ones are 25 twos are. So this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means mu is equal to 0.5. So the correct option is A. Thank you.